friends, in this tutorial we discuss about line tool. Choose your line tool from large to set or use shortcut key. The line tool shortcut key is L. Just type L in the keyboard. So automatically the mouse cursor turn to pencil. There are two methods used to draw edges with the line tool. The first method is simply click various points on your Sketchup screen. And the second method, click and drag and click to end. Just click and drag towards which direction you want to draw. So the line based on the axis color. So it will shows you are drawn the good direction. So otherwise if going black, you are not straight to the axis. This is a major indicate you are draw parallel 90-degree line or inclined line. So if your line is going to red, it's x-axis. If your line turn to green, your line parallel to green axis, the y-axis. And your line showed blue, it's automatically the z-axis. So this way you can create your lines exact 90 degree. Okay. If your line turn to black, suddenly you are not in the straight. You are inclined. So just click and drag. Click again. Which direction you want. Just turn. Then click. The same way you can enter exact value what you want. So I just enter 100. So now you can see my lines black color. So it shows not in your perfect 90 degree. So I change. So again I turn this side. Which value you want, just type in keyboard and enter. So automatically the line create based on your mention number. So if you want to finish it, just use escape key to release. Also line automatically create surfaces. So the closed line is automatically create surface. So if you want to separate the surface, so just draw line in between these lines. The surface is automatically separated. So the line automatically break. Here the full line. So here so the line divided into two parts. The same if you want to break these lines, just draw one more line. So it automatically break. This is the most advanced. So it will help more to create separate surfaces, faces like this. You will understand more while creating a model. Today just we discuss about how to use line tool. It's very easy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.